Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey, hey, yo, yo. What is the meaning of yo, yo? I don't know. It's just really seru ya, seru. Oke, jadi kemarin kan habis hujan. Yesterday we got rain, and today we got a brightful and wonderful day. So go around and see the nature. What is that? Go around and see the nature and say grateful. What is grateful? Say Alhamdulillah to Allah because we have this beautiful nature and we can see it. You can go by yourself, go around in your area and see the nature and say grateful. Alhamdulillah, ya Allah, I can see it, I can feel it, I can enjoy it, I can. Whoa! We can see the sky. The sky is so blue today because I don't know why. After the rain and the day after day, I see the sky and the sky is very bright. Right? Do you agree with me? So go around and see the small thing like this. Oh my god! I don't know what is the animal in that, but it's so small. I don't know the name. Just go around and enjoy your day, your beautiful day. After rain comes sunshine. So don't worry, don't worry for everything that have done. Because after rain comes sunshine. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. Dadah.
Clap your hands and give yourself a chance.
That's right.
'Cause you got soul. Everybody knows that it's alright. Oh, it's alright. And someday I'll find me a woman who will love and treat me real nice. Where my road has gotta go, my love she don't know. The morning, noon, and tonight. Yeah, she's gotta say that it's alright.
Hey,
You say it's alright. You say it's alright. Have a good time, 'cause it's alright. Oh, it's alright. And we're gonna move it slow when the lights are low. 'Cause when you move it slow, feels like a mo. 'Cause it's alright. Oh, it's alright. Now listen to the beat and kinda tap your feet. 'Cause you got soul. Everybody knows that it's alright. Oh, it's alright. And when you wake up early in the morning, feeling sad like so many of us do, hold a little soul and make life your goal. And surely something's gotta come to you. Gotta say it's alright. And say it's alright. You say it's alright. Have a good time, 'cause it's alright. Oh, it's alright. Everybody clap your hands and give yourself a chance.
That's right.
'Cause you got soul. Everybody knows that it's alright. Oh, it's alright. And someday I'll find me a woman who will love and treat me real nice. Where my road has gotta go, my love she will know. The morning, noon, and tonight. Yeah, she's gotta say that it's alright. Say it's alright. Say it's alright. Have a good time, 'cause it's alright. Oh, it's alright. Yeah, you got soul. Everybody knows that it's alright. Oh, it's alright.